So hey guys, hello and welcome. As you all know, National Test Agency (NTA) has published his two notifications today. I mean 26 September. Especially for I'm talking about NEET. You can go and check the websites, and the link is also given on the descriptions. So first notice is came obviously the answer key of 2020 NEET exam paper. There is different paper like from G, H, F, E, all the paper and 1 to 5. We answer key. And also the notice which came. So here we are, and as you all see here, the notification is the NEET 2020 has been conducted to the country on 13 September, and National Test Agency is now uploading the advanced answer key for candidates for all sets like E1 to G6 and H1. I mean E1 to E6, F1 to F6, G1 to G6, and H1 to H6. So for their information now. And yeah, also I have the notifications of see today is the 26th November, and National Test Agency also published another notification which is more important regarding fake calls and all that. So let's read also that notice. So guys, this is the notice here. As today, National Test Agency also published another new notice here. I just downloaded it from their website. So here is the subject is alert against fake agents posing as a staff, staff or representative of a National Test Agency (NTA), giving false assurance of awareness admissions, arrange admission in medical colleges throughout unfair means. So the National Test Agency has been established by the Minister of Education, earlier known as MHRD, Government of India, as an independent and autonomous and self-sustained permit test organizations for conducting efficient, transparent, and international standards tests in order to assess the complete competency of candidates for admissions to premier higher education institutions. The National Test Agency (NTA) has been conducting the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test undergraduate NEET UGC since 2019 on the directions of the Honorable Supreme Court of India with the approval of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Ministry of Education, Government of India. So it is really revealed from a complaint received. Elements are claiming that they can arrange the admissions in the desired medical college by manipulating the OMR sheets of candidates of NEET. There could be many more such unscrupulous elements who might be containing that candidates of UGC, NEET UG, posing as a NATA staff, NTA staff representative with false assurance to arrange admissions in medical college throughout unfair means. There are some medical social media reports also about the same. So in this background, it is clarified that NTA does not have access to the phone number or email of the candidate. Hence, the questions of associations of the officials of NTA with any such unscrupulous elements or their engagement in any such activity does not arise. No communications is or can be done by NTA regarding anyone's results rank at this point of time. Further, any communications about a scorecard rank etc. of the candidate will be done through the official website nta.ac.in and the nta.neet.ac.in only. So it is also clarified that NTA's role is limited to inviting of online applications for NEET 2020 and conducting their entrance test, declaring the results, and providing all ranks to the Directorates General of Health as a Service, Ministries of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. That NTA has no roles in the process of admissions to any medical college in the countries or abroad. The admissions to medical college take place on the basis of rank obtained by the candidates and counseling conducted by the DGHS. Directorate General of Health Service for the state under 15% of all India quota, central universities and the state counseling authorities, Director of Medical Educations of representative respective state or universities and state councils authorized and do not base upon the forged OMR sheets or scorecard of any candidates. So NTA on its part has also loaded a serious complaint with the local police in the above instance. So therefore, candidates' parents are advised not to be missed and should rather register a formal complaint with the local police against such unscrupulous elements and immediate inform to NTA. Also, if and when approached by anyone or facilitating admissions through unfair means. Hey guys, this is the paper. Answer key. So you can if you have the paper, or if you don't have, then go and download from the link. So paper as well as the answer key both are available on many websites. So you can go and download from there. And here is that all the answer key. So just keep sitting on your chair and just start matching your answer, and then calculate how much you get, and then definitely share your score, and don't forget to share and subscribe. And this is for now from my side, and thanks for watching and keep watching.